Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2023 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a water sport you would like to try in the future. You should say what it is, where you would like to try it, whether it is easy or difficult, and explain why you would like to try it. So as you all can see, there are 4 questions attached to this cue card and we need to ensure that all of these 4 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are speaking. So before we jump onto the answer that I have created for you people, let's brainstorm a few ideas together. So now water sports, when you just read the question, what are some of the ideas that come to your mind? It can be as simple as going on a motorboat or maybe trying surfing or canoeing, kayaking. All these are some of the water sports that you can do. Also, river rafting, which I'm sure some people might have tried at some point or the other. So, you can use any of these ideas for a question like this. So, these are some of the ideas that I just came up with while I was reading the question. If you do have any other ideas, please do share in the comment box below. Also, I have posted a lot of videos about other cue cards which are coming up in the exams or they were like asked to some of my students. So you can also check those out. So let's look at an answer that I have created for you all. I am quite a courageous person and am always willing to take on new adventures. And today I would like to speak about scuba diving, which is a popular water sport which I would like to undertake in the times ahead. So as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given a little bit of an introduction to the examiner and also clearly communicating what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to talk about. Alright, so let's continue. Moreover, I would like to explore the vibrant underwater life of the Bay of Bengal, which offers an ideal backdrop for this fun activity in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and is recommended to be the best place in India for this thrilling pursuit. So as you all can see, we have answered the first 2 questions, which is what it is and where you would like to try it. Also, instead of repeating the word water sport again and again, we are using different ways of communicating the same meaning. We are using fun activity, we used thrilling pursuit. So we are not repeating the word sport, right? And all these will enhance our band scores for a lexical resources part later on. So you can also add these kind of words to your list and next time when you're practicing speaking, you can use it in your conversation. Alright, so let's continue. Additionally, it is a low risk sport which can be enjoyed by kids as well as elderly people. Furthermore, it can be grasped easily by learning all the safety skills meticulously, including some pressure containing techniques when we are going down or moving up to the surface, along with some basic floating and kicking. So, meticulously means when you have to pay a little bit of an attention to something. That means you have to be attentive, you need to concentrate on something. So, you can also add this word to your vocabulary list. So, we answered the third question whether it is easy or difficult and gave a very relevant elaboration. We still have the last question remaining, which is explain why you would like to try it. So, let's continue. Finally, I am looking forward to try this daring yet exciting activity as it would provide me an opportunity to discover and spend time in the blue transparent lagoons with sea creatures like turtles, vibrant fishes, as well as sharks if I am lucky enough, and would be a lifetime experience for me. So, for those of you who do not know what lagoons are basically a kind of water body which is separated from the sea or ocean. Like it's not in the middle of the sea or ocean, but it's a little bit separate from the main water body where you can generally perform activities like scuba diving. You must have noticed that we used a lot of connectors here, like moreover, additionally, furthermore, finally, and all these will enhance our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part as well. As for our fluency and pronunciation, which are the other two criteria on which you are marked upon, we made sure that we were not taking any kind of pauses in between, and we also made sure that our speech was clear at all times. We did not do any kind of or any kind of repetitions in between. So all these will also increase our bands for a fluency and pronunciation part. Also, there is a video posted on our channel regarding the criteria on which you are assessed on speaking. So it's a good idea to check that out, because that way you know on what criteria you are being marked upon by the examiner in your speaking exam, right? Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.